Metamerism, one of the most repeated topics under isomerism. This is considered as an NTA's hot topic because every year in the NEET paper and JEE paper, directly or indirectly, he is trying to test you the concept of metamerism. So let's go directly into the concept of metamerism. You can see here the official 2026 question, which has been tested directly on the basis of metamerism. You can see it directly. This is an official 2026 question, which has been asked on the basis of the NCERT highlights. You can see here the NCERT highlights in your textbook of your NCERT related to metamerism. It is very clearly given. Only one example is given. What is the example given? C4H10O. And here it has mentioned the example as methoxypropane and ethoxyethane. So when you look down into this, the same example, every single year the examiner want to test you, but the important thing is how to identify this, how to tackle this question. Now this will play a very key role, that is metamerism cheat code. You can see here very clearly what is metamerism cheat code. First important thing, the molecular formula should be same. Second important thing, the functional group should also be same. Third important thing, whatever the alkyl chains you have on the both sides must be different, right? So depending on this, you can easily identify whether the given isomerism is showing metamerism or not, right? This is commonly seen among ethers, amines, ketones and esters. We can see here the memory hook, same functional group, different side chains, then it is the probable isomerism. It can be is what beta? Metamerism, right? If I look down into the metamerism red alerts, now here this is very important. The student can commit mistake in the exam. Remember, if you are answering the question of metamerism, it should be having the same functional group, right? And don't get confused with your positional isomerism with this. And remember, alkyl groups on both the sides must be different. Same molecular formula should be there. And remember, this is one of the most repeated topics in the NEET and JEE papers. If I go look down into the more detailed part, that is memory hooks. You can see here the memory hooks. This will help you to answer the metamerism question for the long time. So you can see here very clearly, same functional group but different chains. We call it as chain metamerism, right? Same formula, different connections, functional metamerism. Different alkyl groups on both sides, then metamerism. Now this is important. Both the sides alkyl groups must be different. And look down into the more further part, that is NTA traps. So remember that positional isomerism and metamerism are not same. So remember, the functional group should be same and the alkyl groups on both the sides of the functional group must be different. But here many of the students will commit mistake because there is a chance that I'll try to give an example to you here. So listen. So let's take, now this is some question which has been asked in the exam. Now this is what the question is. If I look down here, the functional group is same, but here the side chain is 1 carbon, here the side chain is 2 carbons. Here the side chain is 2 carbons, here the side chain is 1 carbon. So what are the side chains you are comparing? That you need to compare left side with the left side and right side with the right side. This is very crucial for the student to remember. Left side with the left side and right side with the right side, and both the side chains should not be same. So this is a metamerism topic which I am saying that again and again the examiner will test you in the exam. The most important aspect for the MBBS and IIT student is the PDF bundle. That is the most important PDF bundle which will help you to crack the all India ranks in the NEET and JEE papers. In this PDF bundle, you will get all the NCERT highlights of all the subjects, handwritten notes of all the subjects, formula sheets, the important organic chemistry named reactions, reagents list, organic chemistry tricks, snakes and ladders, graphs and diagrams of all the subjects, NCERT hidden gems for biology, exam hackbook for physics and chemistry. Remember, metamerism is the most repeated. So to avail this link, please check the description below. Thank you.